Welcome to Wellste channel. Today I am going to introduce the powder coating for you. First, let us know what is powder coating. Powder coating involves a gel powder as a finishing material, then applied to the metal surface, baking to form a strong protective layer. Look at the samples. There are all powder coating aluminum profiles with different colors. Powder coating has many advantages. You can powder coat any material, including aluminum. Good corrosion resistance increases its life. About the colors, just tell us the RAL number and gloss you want. We will prove for you to confirm. Also, we can provide you with our color card. Do you know how Wellste ensure powder coating quality? At Wellste, we provide high-quality powder coating. We cooperate with global top paint and coating companies like Akzo Nobel, Jotun, PPG, etc. Wellste has a professional quality inspectors to inspect the spray quality and strictly control the future rate. We guarantee that the pass rate deliveries to customers reaches 99%. Common powder coating has two types. One is the horizontal powder coating. It powder coat to a surface places in a horizontally. It is suitable for small bunched orders. The only advantage it has the low equipment investment. Another is the vertical powder coated. It sprays the powder to coat a surface places in a vertical orientation. The maximum width can be more than 7 meters. It is suitable for large bunch orders. The only drawback of this process is its high investment in equipment. For more powder coating information, get in touch with Wellste now.